Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here again with the next part in the Digitizing mini-series featuring this design that I made. In the last part I showed you how to create the slab text using the lettering tools. In this video I'll be showing you how I digitized the cursive text. Just a reminder, I am using the Hatch Embroidery Digitizing software, so if you'd like to know more about that or download a free trial copy for yourself, please visit hatchembroidery.com. Okay, for this particular video I'll be digitizing an open shape. So I'm going to start by hiding everything that I've done so far so I get a good view of the cursive text. I'm going to zoom in to 500% and get my first letter in sight. From the digitizing menu, I'm going to choose digitize an open shape. This automatically assumes that I'll be using an outline stitch as opposed to a fill stitch. I can select which stitch gets applied before I start digitizing, and also set the color before I start digitizing. So I did both. Okay, as before, you may have seen in the other videos that are a part of this series, there are two corner types, an angular or straight and a rounded. The straight type is when you left click, and the rounded type is when you right click. So as you might imagine, for this particular text I'm predominantly using the right click method. However, when I get to corners like this, you'll see me use a straight corner type. And basically this is it. We're just plotting the outline of that letter as we go. When I reach the end, I press enter to confirm all of those points, and then the stitching will be applied. I can go into the reshape mode and change the position of any of those nodes that I've set, or indeed delete a few to make the line flow better. That's what you see me doing here. Can also change the start and end points of each letter by moving the relevant indicators on screen. Okay, time to move on to the next one. So same tool, same process. Obviously, for the benefit of this video and your time, I have sped this up. But I've sped it up hopefully so that you can still see that I'm doing each one through a multiple of different corner types, and I'm doing each letter individually. I'm not trying to overcomplicate it by doing lots in a row. That's possible. Obviously you can keep going with as many nodes as you like. Sometimes I find it useful to trace the letter out with my mouse before I start. Also, I'm considering where the last letter finished as to where I start the next letter. Okay, that's my first word done. Now I'll group those shapes together so that if I ever come to move them or change them in size or anything like that, they will interact as a group as opposed to individual shapes. Next, I'm going back in and I'm going to do the bottom word. That hideous word, housework. Same as before, a mixture of round or angular, straight or curved corner types, plotted out along the outline. And of course, if I need to change anything, I can go into the reshape mode and change individual elements of that particular letter. And there we go, second word done. Again, I'm going to group that. And I'm going to hide the artwork now to see how the whole thing looks overall. And I think I've pretty much got it. So the next couple of videos will be about finalizing that design and stitching it out. That's it for this time. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And for more from me in the future, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.